Unboxing true craftsmanship is an experience in itself. Today, we're taking a close-up look at the Sylvi Iconic restructured around a bold 36mm round case that commands immediate attention. Built for seamless versatility, the Iconic is engineered to transition effortlessly from high-stakes boardroom meetings to your casual weekend plans. Right out of the box, you're presented with an analog-digital hybrid that balances traditional refinement with modern functionality. Let's break down what makes this piece unique. At its core, the Iconic features a closed, deep black glossy dial with a fine finish that catches ambient light with a clean sheen. Sharp stick hour markers give the face a sophisticated appearance, protected by a high-durability polycarbonate crystal. The true magic lies in the dual functionality. Beneath the analog hands, a clean digital window displays your running seconds, live date, precision stopwatch, and alarm functions. When light fades, luminous glowing hands ensure complete legibility during early mornings or late evenings. Anchored by a matte black alloy body, a fixed bezel, and a solid stainless steel case back, delivering a balanced, substantial feel on the wrist. Powered by a high-precision quartz movement and protected by 3 ATM water resistance, it offers complete peace of mind for daily wear. You can choose your exact match across 3 distinct leather strap variants: Iconic Black, Bold, Stealthy, and Powerful; Iconic Brown, Warm, Versatile, and Classic; Iconic Coffee, Deep, Rich, and Sophisticated. One powerful model, 3 distinct expressions. Discover the complete Iconic collection today at sylvi.in.